various languages.
Okay.
So people are writing excellent poetry.
Okay, but then, they say that it's an era of fiction as well. So what do you think is the future of poetry?
Yeah, they say that this is the era of fiction because Harry Potter actually has haunted an entire generation.
Too many things it's been haunting
So
you,
good.
though.
I love Harry Potter.
Yeah, and
Yeah,
oh, by the
see,
way, ladies and gentlemen, over here in Rawalpindi, there is a Harry Potter themed restaurant.
Oh, it's in Rawalpindi
Yes,
because no one knew
it's
where
in
it was.
PWD, and everybody's going crazy, so you can
I
obviously
want to
check it
go.
out. Yeah,
Okay. Anyway, sorry.
the
Continue.
Hogwarts restaurant, I think.
Okay, nice.
this is why they say that this is the era of fiction. You see, this is the era of long fiction, novels are being written as in English, Harry Potter, and in Urdu there are phenomenal
50 Shades of Grey.
50 Shades of
That's not a good. I mean, that's each to their own, but that's not poetry.
and for what is about 40 Rules of Love.
Yeah.
Yes, that was a
That's
beautiful
good.
book. Yeah, absolutely.
Right, and in Urdu as well, people are writing novels. For example, we say that as there are 3 Shahs in Bollywood, Shah Rukh Khan, Salman Khan, and Amir Khan. Similarly, we have 3 Hussains in Urdu fiction: Intizar Hussain, Abdullah Hussain, and Mustalsal Hussain. So they are writing excellent novels. They have written actually Abdullah Hussein's Udas Nasle and Nadar Log are the excellent pieces. Similarly, Intizar Hussain wrote Basti, and
So then that's the future of poetry that will probably transcend to novels and such write-ups.
No, to me, if we poetry should be taken as the sublime form, as the sublimation of fiction.
Okay.
In the primest form, novel becomes poetry. So I think that this is quite relevant. Number one, and number two, the age of great poetry is yet to come. As a poet, I believe.
Okay. Now, just sidestepping, how important do you think